Nothing special here, only cooking channel essential. Chocolate chip cookie. The best you'll ever find. If you're ready, let's go. Start by getting your mixing bowl. We're gonna use electric mixer. Add in about 1 cup of white sugar, which is about 200 grams. 1 cup of brown sugar, which is about 200 grams. 1 cup of soft room temperature butter, which is about 50 grams. And half a cup of shortening. Three eggs. About half a teaspoon of salt. A dash of vanilla. Let's head to the mixer. We will be using the beater. Attach it to the mixer and mix all those ingredients together until they incorporate fully. And you end up with something like this. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. A teaspoon of baking soda, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which is about 360 grams. Finally, you will need 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is about 350 grams. Whisk all those ingredients together until they're well incorporated. Just like that. And now we're ready to shape. Line your baking tray with some non-stick mat, or if you don't have a non-stick mat, you can always use tin foil. Using a simple ice cream scoop, scoop the cookie dough mixture into the tray, spacing them about 2 inches apart, which is about 5 centimeters. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius, for 10 minutes. Preferably, if you can, have a 2-tray system ready, because it only takes 10 minutes to bake. Once the first tray is done, take it out and get the next tray in. This batch with this small cookies, it should yield about 2 dozen cookies, give or take. Remove them from the baking tray and let them cool on a wire rack. And that's it, you're ready to have the best chocolate chip cookies you've ever had. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and sharing the video with your friends. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you in the next video.